Hello everybody, thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. This is another open house video at a Courtyard Villa here at 429 Layton Terrace here in the Villages, Florida. I hope you enjoy the tour. Welcome everybody. As always, please contact the listing agent if you're interested in this home. This is a Courtyard Villa located here in the Villages, Florida. The address is 429 Layton Place here in the Villages, Florida.
Hello, welcome in. How's it going? My name is Zach. I'm at 429 Layton Terrace. This is a 2-2 marathon floor plan. So that's a courtyard villa here in the village of Bonnybrook. This house has a lot of amazing features. I'll just tell you my favorite three. The modern upgrades, vinyl plank flooring throughout, stainless appliances are really nice. Number two is going to be the private backyard. It's really nice. Waterfall, fire pit, beautiful. You'll see it on video. And then I would say my third favorite is the location, and that's just here in the heart of Bonnybrook. You're so close to Wedgwood and all the shopping that you could possibly need here in the Villages that this is an amazing location. And as you're looking at maps and the Villages, you'll see some things are near things and some things aren't. This is really close to everything you could possibly need by golf cart, which is important to me, and I know a lot of you. So you're in great hands. Take a look around.
Thank you very much. I will do a video tour of the home. I will also video the spec sheet because most of my viewers like to see the specifications of the home. This is a newly updated, it looks like it has fresh floors and fresh paint. This is the living and dining area. Panning around. That's a vinyl plank floor. Looks like there's new appliances in the kitchen. Here's the spec sheet. Let's take a look at the kitchen. It does have a natural gas stove, stainless steel appliances. It even has stainless hardware on the cabinet doors. Vinyl plank flooring throughout. Looks like it has a pantry in the kitchen. Here's the outdoor patio. Has an enclosed backyard. That's why a lot of people like courtyard villas. This home seems to be really well kept, well maintained, and it has a lot of updates. You can see the patio has a lot of cement. This is a cement patio. It has been painted. Beautiful mature trees. The lanai is enclosed. That is a benefit. You could actually run air conditioning into that lanai and use that as extra living space. A lot of people in the villages do that. There's a bathroom. Let's take a look at the bathroom. That's right off of the living room. There's a bedroom. You can see the vinyl plank flooring running throughout. Looks like ceramic tile flooring in the bathroom. You can see all the upgrades here in the bathroom. New sink. It looks like a laminate countertop. Wow, look at the tiling up there in the shower. Here's the lanai.
You're very welcome. My name is Zach.
Lanai has tile flooring. It is enclosed with sliding windows. And some people, when they enclose the lanai with sliding windows, some people will run an air conditioning and heating duct into the ceiling and actually use this as additional living space.
We'll tell them that Zach says hello. And yeah, like I said, if there are questions about this.
Here's bedroom number 2. This would be considered the master bedroom. It does have sliding glass patio door out to the lanai. This bedroom is located in the back of the house, so you should have very little road noise. This closet is very large and it does have shelves in it. Even has some extra vinyl plank. Here's the master bathroom. Again, updated with a nice glass sink. It does have a shower with glass doors. That is a fiberglass shower. This master bedroom does have cathedral ceilings. It looks like this unit has a hip roof. Does have new paint. This unit is pretty much move-in ready. Not much updating needed in this unit.
One thing that I forgot to mention to you all, hello, is the roof. It just went on in June, and a brand new roof for insurance acquisition purposes is very important. So keep that in mind.
And that's awesome. Brand new asphalt shingle roof.
Correct.
Do you know the age of the mechanicals?
What's that?
Do you know the age of the mechanicals? Air conditioning, water heater?
HVAC 2017, water heater 2018, roof 2024.
Perfect. Can I go out in the garage?
Please, yeah.
Thank you. So here's the garage. It does have a painted floor.
And I'll actually open this.
It does have a water softener in it as well. Does have a sink in the garage, A.O. Smith water heater. This is classified as a 1.5 car garage. So you can put your car in on this side, and you can fit a golf cart in on this side. It does have laundry facilities in the garage. And as I mentioned on a previous video, that is your controller for your in-ground watering system. Thank you everyone for watching this video and subscribing to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this Courtyard Villa at 429 Layton Place here in the Villages, Florida. Have a great weekend, everybody. Take care.